good plastic, and the lower seat is good plastic, including the pistol grip. And then power cleaner.
Hello, Wall.
Man, it stinks now.
You asshole. Oh shit.
Did you leak it?
I did.
You did.
Hoping
It's
to
horrible.
capture it on camera, but it was loud.
That's so good.
I'm trying to do that toe thing, but it don't work. Alright. Hold on. I kind of wonder if they can actually see me or not. It makes me wonder if they can actually see me.
Dude, you know it's wide angle. Just do the video.
Relax. JP, stop.
I quit.
He looks so serious when he's like this and he's just popping. It's like you have a straight face on. Like, was it me?
I usually do. You want to pop my toes?
Okay.
Alright, this is Chris, Matthew, and JP from Undead Soldiers Airsoft. And here's our...
Photo.
Okay.
Restart.
I was about to say armory was.
Okay, restart. Just go again. Quicker, quicker. What?